different kind of STEM modules in order to get these subjects very accessible in the classroom, but also in informal settings, because a lot of these modules can be used not only in classroom, but also in other contexts, in other informal settings like science museum, science festival, and this kind of events. And of course, they are accessible for free. You can download all the materials from the website of the project, from the platform that's been designed ad hoc for this project. So everyone can really use and diffuse this kind of modules. So what about physics? Now we will have the presentation of the physics team from Warsaw University of Technology and from the voice of Dariusz Aksamit.
Okay, hi, I'm Darek from Warsaw University Technology, Faculty of Physics. So I'm a physicist, which means that I have through my life to answer many times the hard question, what you can do after the physics? You can be a teacher. I'm not getting angry because of this question, because I understand that it is asked by people to whom the only contact with physics was a chalk and board and some abstract formulas. This is now what the physics is, and if the youngsters come into our platform, open learning content management system, they will stop asking such questions because they will be busy by exploring new technologies, which is really physics. So to begin with the space exploration, this is also connected with astronomy, but they will start learning about the global positioning system, which they use every day, but they can understand how it works and what about the satellites above our heads. They will learn about the optical fibers, which could be boring, but you can understand how the fast internet is brought into your Facebook, into your house, so you can waste the whole day in Facebook. So we looked at the topics that really influence your everyday life, or the photovoltaics. If you want to take part in discussion about the global topics, like how we create the energy to power our devices to operate Facebook finally, then how we could do this without destroying the planet. So if you join this platform, you can really be a part of this, and we try to use this same approach in chemistry. That again, I remember a lot of different lessons from my chemistry when I was at school, and till this moment I have no idea why the half of this really happened. I have no idea why, what was the purpose. But if you look, sorry that its contrast is quite bad, but if you see, this is determining the content of vitamin C in food. You can check at your food, at your table, what is the amount of vitamin C and how it influences your immune system and so on. You can test sunscreens and perform photocatalytic tests. So again, everybody know what the UV light and you know to use the cream, UV filter cream, but is it really helping? What's the difference between SP30 and 50 and 15? Usually, in common knowledge, we know it only for advertising, and now with simple methods, you can check if it's really helping to stop UV light and avoid cancer, and you can check how the group of students from high school measured. Analyze the data about the air pollution that is, in many countries in Europe, is a very vivid problem because we are dying because of the bad air, and the students took a part in the project. They analyzed the problem and show some results. So we show simply that this science, it's not boring abstract formulas, but this is a modern technologies that it's changing lives. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks to Dariusz Aksamit from Warsaw University of Technology. Science, technology, engineering, mathematics are not detached from the real life, as we have learned in the previous presentation, also going across the modules that have been designed in the STEM4youth project.